how are you? Welcome to Kathy's My DIY channel. Hello, cutie. You are coming home with me. I've been looking for a squirrel ever since Dollar Tree came out with the cutest pigs. Did you see these acorn pigs? How adorable, right? I think they would go perfectly with either one of these harvest critters from Walmart. I found this mini picnic basket at a garage sale for $1. My husband cut the lid for me in half, and look at Tweety, any opportunity to get a scratch. And I cut 2 small pieces of floral foam, and I'm going to glue one inside the basket, like this on the side where it will be open. And let's glue the lid on top. And then we are going to sit the critter right there and have the basket open. And we do need a little bit of foam underneath because we want to add pigs there. And let's glue the other half of the lid. And I'm thinking, if you don't have a picnic basket, you can probably use any basket and make a lid out of a cardboard or foam board. You know, it won't be showing much at all when we are done decorating. And I'm thinking the best way to secure the squirrel to the foam block will be using the floral pin. It's like a U-pin. We just puncture it through at the bottom like this. And since it's a bit too long, we are going to trim it. And add a little bit of hot glue and poke it through the foam. Oh, how cute! She sits perfectly with the feet on both sides. Just needs a little bit of hot glue on the belly right there. And now let's add our acorn pigs. Let's just trim the stem a little bit. And we are going to insert it on the side. Bushy tail on one side and the acorns on the other. There it is. Insert in the foam. And then bend and adjust as you wish. So cute. And now the second one we are going to insert at the bottom like this. Trim, a little bit of hot glue, and insert the foam right there. I do realize the scale is a little bit off, but it's okay. It's a whimsical design. Besides, the squirrel's probably so excited about the big nuts. By the way, are you my bestie yet? Why not? Go ahead, hit the red button, become my bestie, and that way we will be in touch. You won't miss any of my videos coming up, okay? Okay, and next we are going to collect some harvest crabs from the Dollar Tree. They have so many cute choices. But I don't want all your crabs to come from China. You can go on a walk and pick up some free supplies as well. What are these called, by the way? So cute. We are going to start off with the largest. This pig is great. There's a pumpkin, pine cone, berries, and a couple leaves. It does all the work for you, basically. A pine cone is a great filler because I would have to put in a lot of acorns in there. When I put a pine cone, I have a support to put my acorns around it. Perfect. And now I'm just going to glue the acorns all around. This one is going to be like almost spilling out of the basket. That's what you want to create, like very random. When the squirrel just throws the acorns in there, they'll be all in different directions. Now I'm going to add one of these. I call it chestnut because it reminds me of the chestnuts back in Poland, but they were green brown on the inside, so I'm not so sure. I wonder, what do you call these? And now to brighten things up, we are going to add a couple white pumpkins. And these are great, come with the pigs already, makes it easy. Acorns from the outside are different shaped, so it's great to mix it up. And I wish I had some actual peanuts at home. Actually, I ate them the other day, but I could see a walnut or hazelnut here would be just so cute. By the way, have you seen the new acorn ribbon at the Dollar Tree? My absolute favorite. Even though my basket is tiny, I have to add a little bit of it. And some brown checkered. So this is going to be a tiny bow, like a 4-inch tail pinch, then measure like 8 inches, fold in half, a 4-inch loop. Yeah, can't be bigger than that, depending on size of your basket. 8 inches again, pinch all together, and cut about 4-inch tail as well. Grab a pipe cleaner, tie through the center, fluff it up, pull the tails down, and let's see. Oh yes, I love it. And I'm gonna just add a little bit of this gingham. I just found it on clearance at Joann's. I don't think I even paid $2 for it. We are cutting about 12 inches, not more than that. Gonna cut the fishtails and just make a small loop at the top, maybe 2 inches, like this, and attach it on top of our bow. And now pull that pipe cleaner to the back, fluff up the bow, turn the tails the right way, and there you go. Very simple little bow. And again, I'm gonna use one of the floral pins, just insert it under the pipe cleaner in the back. Cut off the excess pipe cleaner. And we are going to insert it right there on the side in the floral foam. Oh my goodness, I just remembered those adorable mushrooms that the Dollar Tree was selling that spring. I hope you got some of them. I'm just going to insert one of the pigs I cut off from the white pumpkins and add it on the side. Look how perfect it fits there. I think we need to add some orange now, so the squash will go here. It's perfect because it doesn't cover up her tail. And we're going to add some of those cute little pomegranates throughout. Now we need to cover up that foam in the back, so we're just going to use some leaves. Oh my goodness, I'm so glad I remember I had these felt leaves. Got them last year. I hope they have them back. I'm not sure. But they are just the perfect texture that was needed here. For me, cherry on top. When done, take a look at your arrangement, see what else is needed. I think right there in the back, a cute little orange pumpkin would be great. How about an acorn too? You know me, I can't stop. Those Dollar Tree acorns, they're foam. So if you insert a toothpick, whatever you might have on hand, then it's easy to insert in the foam. And excuse Tweety, she's trying to shout over me. Tweety! I feel like these leaves are a little bit too big over here. They cover up my handle to the basket. I don't want that covered, so I'm just gonna trim them. Better, right? You know what? Now it looks like an oak tree leaf, so might as well cut out the other one and make it look like oak tree leaves because acorns come from oaks. Yes, I know I'm anal like that, but don't make fun of me. I think I also want to add a little bit of my favorite ribbon on the other side, so I'm just going to cut about 8 inches. Fold in half, cut the fishtails, and just pinch it through the middle, make like a V shape, and attach it on the side. Don't you think that's gonna look cute? Just use a little bit of that pipe cleaner that we cut off, and we can just stick it in there somewhere like that. Actually, it would be easier with a pick, so I'm just gonna tie a pipe cleaner around a pick and insert it right there in the foam. Okay, let's trim the tails on our bow as well. They're a bit too long. And I love that color distributed on both sides now. And just when you thought I was done, I'm gonna add some of this adorable filler fern from the Dollar Tree. Look at these cute little flowers. I think that's just what's needed here. We're gonna insert a few here and there. I'm just gonna try it out before gluing. And oh yes, I love it. Let's glue everything in and take a look at the final result. I hope you're gonna like it and give me some of those cute squirrel emojis and nuts and whatever else you might find. The squirrel works so hard to gather food for the cold winter months, and I think she's ready now. Can I get up? What? Ow! Ow! Can I get up? What? Can I get up? What? Can I get up? What? Ow! Ow! Please like, subscribe for more, and see you next time, my besties. I love you.
And I just can't get enough. I just can't get enough.